Hi, my dear students. Our lesson today, lesson 73. Open your book on page number 40. Okay, on lesson 73. Here we are, an analog clock. You know that the analog clock, its face look like a circle. Look like a circle. The circle, we can divide it into different unit fractions. We can divide it into two halves or into 3/3. This part third and this part is third, or 4/4. This part is fourth and fourth. We have fourth and this fourth. Half or third or fourth or fifth, sixth or eighth, and so on, is called unit fraction. Unit fraction. Here we have 1 in numerator and 2 in denominator. Unit fractions or unit fraction is a fraction that its numerator is 1 and its denominator is more than 1. Third, its numerator is 1 and its denominator is 3, more than 1. So it's called unit fraction. Unit fraction. Okay. We know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And half hour equals 30 minutes. And fourth hour equals 15 minutes. And third hour equals 20 minutes. Back to our book. Here, divide each clock face into the fractional parts are listed below the clock. At the first, halves, into halves. Okay, half hour equals 30 minutes. To past 30 minutes, we know that between two numbers there are 5 minutes. So we want to past 30 minutes to divide the first clock into halves, into two halves. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we divide this clock face from 12 to 6. 12 to 6. Okay. The second one, fourths. How many fourths in one circle? 4 fourths. 4 fourths. Okay. We know that fourth hour equals 15 minutes. So from 12 to 1, 5, 10, 15. We can divide it from 1 to 3. From 12 to 3, that is fourth. Again, From 3 to 4, 5. 10, 15. Okay, from 3 to 6. This is another fourth. Again, from 6 to 7, 5. 10, 15. So, from 6 to 9. This is another fourth. Again, from 9 to 10, 5. 10, 15. So, from 9 to 12, that is fourth. The third one, into thirds. How many thirds in one circle? 3 thirds. Okay, we know that third hour equals 20 minutes. So count 20 minutes from 12 to 1, 5, 10, 15, 20. So from 12 to 4, it's third hour. From 4 to 5, 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20. It's another third. From 8 to 9, 5, it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So from 8 to 12, there is another third. Turn on your page, lesson 73. Apply. Example. Farouk, Hazem and Dalia share a candy bar. Which of your fraction strips shows how they can each get an equal part? Solve the rest of the problem below using your fraction model to help. They have a candy bar. Okay, how many friends? Farouk and Hazem and Dalia. 3 friends. They get an equal part for each one. 3 thirds. We divide it into 3 thirds. Third, third, third. Okay, solve the rest problems below using your fraction model to help. Number 1, Nurhan has a long loaf of bread. She wants to share it with 2 of her friends. Which of your fraction strips best matches this story? Draw and label it below. Okay, she have a long loaf of bread and wanted to divide it or share it with 2 of her friends, so she divided it into 2 equal parts. How many parts we have? 2. We write 2 in denominator. Okay, this is 1 part of 2, so we write 1 at numerator. Here we write 1 at numerator. Okay, the next one. Number 2, Rami has a long piece of wood. He needs to cut it into enough pieces to share with his 7 friends. Which of your fraction strips best matches this story? Draw and label it below. Okay, let's draw a piece of wood. He needs to cut it enough pieces to share 7 friends. We divide it into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many parts we have? 7. We write 7 at denominator. And this part is 1 of 7. This part is 1 of 7. 1 of 7 parts. And we write 1 in numerator. Okay, number 3. Samir had a candy bar. He took 2 days to eat it and ate the same amount each day. On Monday, he ate 1 piece. On Tuesday, he ate 1 more piece. Which of your fraction pieces best matched the story? Draw and label it below. Okay, he has a candy bar and he eat it on Monday and Tuesday and ate the same amount each day. So he must divide a candy bar into 2 equal parts. We have 2 parts, each 2 equal parts, each part is called half. He ate this part or this half on Monday and this half on Tuesday. Turn on your page, number 4. To make a garage for his toy truck, Kamal bends a rectangular piece of cardboard in half. He then bends each half in half again. Which of your fraction strip best matched this story? Draw and label it below. Okay, at the first he have a piece of cardboard. Okay, and bended it into halves. We have 2 halves, 2 equal parts. Then each half he bended it in half again. So he bend this half, divide this half into 2 halves, and this half into 2 halves, this half into 2 halves. So how many parts we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write 4 at the numerator. This part, 1 part of 4, 1 part of 4 parts, 1 part of 4 parts. Each part is called fourth. Each part is called fourth. Okay, so at the end he divided the cardboard into 4 equal parts. Number 5. Number 5, Kamal bends a different piece of cardboard in 3 equal parts. He then bends each third in half. Again, which strip best matched this story? Draw and label it below. Okay, at the first, he had a cardboard. Then he divided it into 3 equal parts in thirds. How many thirds in one whole? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then he bends each third in half again. So this third, we divided it into 2 halves. The second one into 2 halves. The third one into 2 halves. Now, how many parts we have? How many equal parts we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 parts. We write 6 at denominator. This is 1 part of 6. So in one whole we have 6 sixes. This part is 1 of 6 or 6. Turn on your page on challenge. If Kamal, number 1, if Kamal had folded the piece of card from problem 5, problem 5 was 6 sixes. Okay, we will draw 6 sixes. 1, 2, no. Again, sorry. We divided it into 6 equal parts as we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Raise this. 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this problem, he flooded this piece or flooded every part in half again. So we divide this part in half, into halves. This part into halves, 2 halves. Okay, what would the strip look like? Draw and label it below. Now, how many parts we have? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 parts in whole part. 12 parts in all. 12. 12. We write 12 in denominator. We write 12 in denominator. And 1 in numerator. So we have 12 equal parts. Number 2, Mona had a long piece of string. She cut it into 8 equal parts. She gave 3 of parts to her sister and 1 part to her brother. What fraction of the string does Mona have left? In the box below, draw a strip that matches this story and label each part. Color the fraction of her sister in red and the part of her brother gets below. Okay, at the first we draw the piece of string. She divided it into 8 equal parts. We divided it into 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So she gave 3 parts to her sister. We will color 3 parts in red color. How many parts? 3. 1, 2, 3 to her sister. And give 1 to her brother. Color with blue to her brother. How many parts does Mona have left? Count. 1, again, how many parts left? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 parts, left parts. What fraction of the string does Mona have left? 4 fractions or 4 parts of fractions. Okay. Turn on your page math journal. Reflect on your work you did to solve story problems today. Pick one of your fraction strips and write a story problem that would match the strip. Draw the strip below the story. Okay, we will choose this fraction strip. One strip and divided it into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. In one whole, we have 4/4. So we can write this story problem or any story problem you know. Alia has a long sandwich. She wants to share it with 4 friends. Which fraction strip best match this story? So she must divide its sandwich into her sandwich into 4 equal parts, like this strip. Finish. Thank you.